Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. As you can see, I'm going solo today. My name is Davian, and this video was suggested by one of our subscribers. I think her name is pronounced Kayla, and I would like to say thank you for subscribing and also suggesting this video. I'm sorry if I did pronounce your name wrong, but this is a get ready with me video. I will be showing you how to do this rainbow bun. So please stay tuned if you are interested. And yeah, I just realized I need a little blush. I like this look. I really do. Like, came out really good. So, this is my blush brush. It's a little tricky to say. I can't really pick it up and show y'all the blush because my mama broke it. So, yeah. So, okay, I'm gonna fix that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think I put too much. It's broken, so, wow. Okay. Try to put it as best as possible. If not, I'm just going to go back in with my foundation brush and just try to fix that. Wow, Jesus. Rosy red for real. Okay. Just go back in with a little bit of powder. I'm going to dye that color down. Jesus. Like, yeah, I think it looks okay. Okay, so this blush that I got originally was for me, but Mama took it. So it is a Wet n Wild. Yeah, you see it's broken. Wet n Wild color icon. We got it from 5 and Below. 5 and Below is awesome. So we got it. It was like probably $3 to $5. It was, yeah. I don't know the color anymore, but that's the blush. So let me get into my hair. So because my hair is looking ratchet right now. So I'm gonna take this out for y'all. Okay. This is my hair. Okay, so you're going to need a scrunchie. Excuse all the hair on my scrunchie. This brush, I forgot what we call this. The detangler brush? Yes. So we did a review on this, and there's also another one that we got for $1, but this one is awesome. So it's my detangler brush. Excuse all the hair in my brush, but I love my brush, okay? So this is my brush, my hair brush, and my toothbrush for my baby hairs. So the products that I will be using on my hair, normally I do use Eco Gel and just some water, but I don't have any Eco Gel, and I got water, plenty of water. So I'm going to use this Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. Yes, it's for men, but we're going to use it. It's hair products, who cares? So I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to use this Ampro Pro Styling Gel for my baby hairs. I've been using that all week. And water. I mean, this used to be braid spray, but it's water now, so just fill it up with water. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do is, my hair is obviously dry, so, and nappy, excuse that, but I'm going to just spray my hair with water all the way around. Try to dampen it. I don't know how to say that. Well, dampen it as much as you can around, not the ponytail, I'm not worried about this part, but just around here, because that's what I'm going to be brushing up with the products and stuff. So I'm going to go through with this detangler brush, so that way it can look smooth in the back, because I hate having lumps in my hair when I'm brushing it, or having that big hump behind my head. No, I can't do that. So brush my hair. So dry. And I'm going to brush it upward this way because that is the direction my ponytail is going in. So let me brush it up this way. I am going to put some of this, the Cantu. It is like, it's $5.99 at the beauty supply, so it is pretty expensive but worth it. Even the women's one is really good. I love it. So I'm going to put, I don't know if y'all can see this, but I'm going to put this right here on my nape area. I wouldn't say my nape, but my kitchen. So I'm going to put that right there, because that's the part that really does curl up the most for me. I'm going to take my brush and try to smooth that out. do like to use gel because it does hold it down the most. So I'm going to use a little bit of this gel. It's the brown gel if y'all ever use this. Use the brown gel. Put it on my wood kitchen. Wash it with my hands, and then I'm going to go back in with my brush, do the same thing. I'm trying to get the back as smooth as possible because when I turn around, I don't want to look cute in the front, and when I turn around, people are like, oh Jesus, what's going on back there? So I'm going to put some more Cantu on the front, on my edges, around my edges, because it is a little nappy up there too. I want that part to look good too. Just putting a little bit around. And I'm going to brush it up. And I do wear this hairstyle when I get tired of wearing a regular donut bun. And I do wear it to school or out to church or to the stove. Okay. So what I'll do is just grip the hair as tight as possible. In the back, I'm just brushing it up with my hands and try to make sure it's smooth. And if it's not, I just take my detangler brush and I brush it. Make sure, you know, there's no lumps underneath and the inside of my hair. So that way it can be as smooth as I can make it. So bring it up to the high point of my head. I want it too far to the front and then too far back. And it's so hard for me every day to be gripping my ponytail. Like, it's so much hair. Okay, so excuse my scrunchie because it is about on this last string. But I'm gonna take my scrunchie, grip my hair like that, and I'm gonna pull it as if I'm pulling it into a ponytail. Turn it back this way. Hopefully this comes out right. Because I have to do this a lot. And then when I turn it back this way, hopefully you can see that, I grab it and I pull it through the ponytail, but I don't pull it through all the way. I pull it slowly until it looks like this. Make sure this looks as good as possible. I go in with my toothbrush and I take the gel and I just, God, I can't see anything. So I'm gonna go in and just, I put some gel on it, by the way, if I didn't say that already. Go in and just brush the front part of my head. My edges, I'm gonna brush that up. Make sure it looks smooth. And what I do is, I don't know if you can see that there's a hole right here. I can stick my finger through there, and then I can stick my finger through this side. So there's 2 holes. So what I do is I take my thumbs and I put my hands up here. I'm trying to get this finger in there right. So what I'm gonna do is I just pull it down. And then these, yes, of course, there's extra hair hanging back here. I just kind of tuck that in there. Make sure it doesn't look crazy. And I just pull it where I need to shape it and make it look like I say it looks like a rainbow. Say my rainbow bun or a half donut, half circle, whatever you want to call it. But I color like a rainbow bun. It looks like a rainbow. Just boom, my head. Okay. Sometimes this does not come out correctly, and sometimes it looks crooked, but who cares? I don't care. It's like, see, like this piece was up here and it did make it look like it was too much hair. I just pulled it down and just moved it underneath. Just adjust it to the best of your ability until you think that it looks good for you. Until you think that it's straight enough, and it's based off your judgment, and I can't really explain how to just fix it, but just pulling it down and making it into that shape Sometimes I did have to use bobby pins to hold it down because sometimes my hair wouldn't act right. I don't know why, but I'd take bobby pins and I would pin the sides underneath here down on in my hair, so that way it can stay down. And this is the back of my head all the way. See, it's kind of loose a little bit because it's kind of hard to go in. So normally you can use 2 scrunchies. That way you can just make your first ponytail and then you can use your second scrunchie and go in and make that, like, pull your ponytail halfway through. That way you can make the shape that you want. And of course, I can't forget my baby hairs because that's what makes everything happen around here. I'll keep life on my budget. So just spray it with a little water, and I take some of my gel. Take a little bit of gel, and what I do is I just brush. And I don't pull too much hair out because then I learned that after a while, it's not gonna lay down and it's gonna look not as clean as smaller baby hairs would. But I would like people to see my baby hairs. I don't want them to look invisible, you know. And it's hard to explain how to do baby hairs sometimes. Well, you just brush them down, and I just go with my other finger, and I just hold it and brush that way. Brush the direction that, it's so hard to say that. It's like brushing in the direction that the hair is going to go in. And if you want your baby hairs to be split in the middle, then you would bring it out this much and make sure you split the hair to go this way and get the other side to go the other direction. But sometimes I don't even do that part because it doesn't turn out right. I just put a little bit of hair that way and I do the other side. And sometimes you can, if you want to do, like if you had your hair down, like I had my hair for homecoming, you can have your baby hairs just on one side if it was flat ironed, or do them the way you like. It's based all on your judgment and how you would like your baby hairs to look. This brown gel's so brown, Jesus. Okay. I think that's the next right here. Make sure that goes back there. And 9 times out of 10 I do the sideburns, the sides, because it just makes it look a little bit better to have baby hairs on this side too. And I don't know how to do all the extra little fancy baby hairs with the waves or whatever they do there. Well, I don't know what that is, but baby hairs, they're baby hairs. As long as they look good and they look neat and they're laying down, who cares? Okay, hopefully there's no more brown gel on there. And I do brush this up because sometimes that's a little puffy. But that's the look. So hopefully you guys like this video. And I hope y'all like my makeup look. I am a beginner. I'm not a professional. And I hope y'all liked my tutorial on how to do my hair. It's kind of hard to explain that because I don't normally talk to people when I get ready in the morning. So I hope you like this video. Like us, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down below in the comment section of what y'all thought about this video, what I need to improve on the next time. And yeah. So, I love y'all guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.